Yo, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Blue Star FX's signals for the month of May. So without any further ado, let's get straight to it. Already know Blue Star turns into Red Star, and that's kind of about it, right? So we're gonna start here with the month of May. There's a lot of information that they do post. Again, I'm not a big fan of blue screens and updating, so much updates. But okay, let's get to the first signal, right? So there was a lot of fundamental signals that was sent. If you go here, you'll see there was a scalper sent. So they sent scalpers throughout the NY, and then they sent actual signals. Then they sent fundamental signals as well. This is what a New York open signal looks like. It's a trade with no stop loss or TP. And then we've got fundamental signals that did well so far as well. Fundamental. Let's focus on NFP again. I think they must just change the group to the fundamental purple. Like what's the other guy's name? Any case, sell German 30, and this was the sell over here as well. Now I'll tell you why. So here we go. Targets 500 Rand on this single trade, right? And again, you need to take people, and you can see this target was actually hit. Another thing to take into consideration is you can see there's an hour difference between the broker that's being used and the current time that we have here as well, in case you see something like that, right? So let's go through all of this information, and here we go. My golden family, we have trades to place. We already, and then NFP signal again. There you can see, right, the NFP was not going as good as they said it would. And there you can see, right, NFP kind of just, and this is why I come again and I say that I think that I don't believe in trading this. You can, because remember, like that person who would say that, if you risk 1%, you cannot go and say, oh, I'm going to risk 1% of my account. Do you know how far this candle moves? Even with a 0.01%, you can blow. Keep blow. Any case, there was another sell on the German 30 index, which we are going to go have a look at very quickly. Which is this one here, right? Short move, that. Again, I say, right, from 18807, there you can see 18807. That market moved down to 18067, right? Before it eventually made a U-turn, right? Even, for us who entered late, the target 0 was reached. Now, how do you justify this as an actual trade? So that is why I say that if you look at it in a little bit deeper, right? These are very short moves, and depending on what broker you use, you might walk away with some money, and in some cases you might walk away with nothing when they do. I always say that the success of a signal provider is not measured based on how much money he's making, but it's measured based on how much money the people who are paying him is making, right? There we go, buy Dow Jones, and then that was the results for that. Lots of blue screens. Again, then there was another sell on the German 30, which we are going to go here. As you can see over here, we had this move up, obviously, first after that candle there. And then there was a sell on US 30. So, I don't know what happened there because there's no update over there. Then we're going to go to the Dow Jones over there, which we are going to go May the 7th. Let me just stop talking. Here we go. Right. Here we go. Okay. So this is what this looked like as well. Right. So you kind of looking at short moves. It's almost saying that, when you trade high moves in the market, then by definition, if you trade high lots, then you can make some money, but with this move. But this is not for everybody, right? Like, this is not these moves. They sell US 30, and we're gonna get to the buy and gold now. Now this is what I'm saying. 526 Rand was made. This doesn't justify maybe that the next person might have made any money from there, right? Let's go over to gold. The signal was sent here as well. Buy gold, 9:30. Let's go to gold very quickly. Right, 9:30. What date was that? Also the 7th of May. Yeah, now this is where things get very interesting. Right, now you get your TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. And I think in most cases, when people use TP1, TP2, TP3, and TP4, it's just to further justify that they've got a TP that had hit. But if you look at the risk to reward, or the reward on this trade is 0.31%, but like this, it looks very good, right? TP1 hit on gold, and but TP1 is not even 1%, right? Let's go through it again. Here, there, again. Some blue screens. Buy Dow Jones. Buy. Good afternoon. Market is moving good after NFP. We have some trading. So buy gold again. TP1, TP2, TP2, TP3, TP4. Now this one TP4 it actually hit, right, for 3.81%. Again, don't get me wrong, that's a very good trade, right? But I guess the question is, where did people close? All 4 targets were reached, but that is the thing with having so many targets. It's easy to say TP1 hit, TP2 hit, TP3. Okay, let's go. Sell US30, May the 8th. Here we go. May the 8th. May the 8th be with you. Here we go. Also, very bootleg. They had a short move down, and then the market eventually rallied to the upside. Right there, you can see there's that sell put in there. Targets 500. TP1. You don't know. I think I probably missed this. Oh yeah. Okay. AUD USD. But we're gonna go to that trade now. Here we go. Right. So there's that sell. There's that sell, perfectly triggered. There's the sell. Right. Again, the target was reached, but that was a short move to the downside, and it becomes very difficult at the end of the day. But I must say, this buy on AUD USD, I must say myself, was a very good buy. Not like a good buy. This was a good buy. That was about 5%. Again, like I said to Precision FX yesterday, people need to deal with their emotions. They need to be calm, and they have to be collected as well. So yeah, they trying the cat unemployment. There you go. Also, some good moves as well. I think I must get in this group and take these new signals. But just see when I join, and then suddenly it don't go. You don't go away. Okay. Aggressive scalper sell. Even PPI was one, and then there was some blue screens over there as well. PPI, CPI today. CPI, God be with us. Then your typical NY signal. Then this was that beautiful trade, right? I think this is all I need in my life. On my 100K funding account. Could do with that. Go on a nice holiday. Take a trip overseas to Robben Island. Okay, more fundamental signals. I'm the fundamental plot. Golden circle, my king, any New York session. Let's skip this one. Okay. There, boom. Sagalaga, golden circle, epic client. Oh, you are the best goat. I need the strategy now with Blue Star FX. Everything is blue. Yeah, everything is blues. Then there was another one over there. Then we got the next signal, May the 17th on gold, that we are going to go through. It should be somewhere here, right? Somewhere here. Yeah. Okay, now this was a good trade. We had a TP1, TP2 hit there for 3%. Again, let me just keep my bag because any guys, TP1 hit, TP2 hit, TP3 was not it. You like this TP3, it was below that low. And then buy German 30 target is 500 rand. You see that's kind of, it could be 500 rand for you, right? The guys to me Biko. Yeah. Oh, okay. Anyways, March the 20th. Let's go see what happened there, right? So this was a break-even trade. I think this was a break-even trade, but this is a good move to the upside. That was a beautiful sell. That was another beautiful sell. That was a bad buy. That was a good buy. So if you look at this year, right? So because I don't want to come back to this group, like to this part again, because I like to go through these things. So here you can see, right? They were a good move up, a good move down, a good move down. Stop loss was hit. They were a good buy, and here we had another slightly good trade before it actually eventually dropped down there as well. So that is it for German 30, right? Here's so much scroll work to do that I have to scroll. Some there. Sell. That was the sell. Let me see. Sell. Let's focus on CAD. There you can see that German 30 trades was actually very good, right? We're trading CAD CPI, even 100 Rand is okay. 100 Rand, damn, there you can see. Okay, so they're good with news, right? I think maybe they just changed the channel to news. Another German 30 signal that I showed you guys. Then there was a buy on gold. So let me close this because buy gold May the 22nd. Which was this one over here, right? So we had a TP1 hit there for 1.17%, if I'm correct there. There you'll see TP1 hit, ran, no loss shall be suffered, and TP2 had hit as well. I believe that TP2 was right there, right? TP1 was 0.51%. And here we go, right? I hope this message is fine. Well, first I want to apologize for sending a written message. I've caught the flu. May the 23rd. Another German 30 signal. And that was the video. I hope this message of some exciting news, our channel and work we've been doing. Okay, there's another PMI signal. Then there was another buy on gold, which was this one here. Okay, into a little bit of profit, and then came into a little bit of drawdown. And then I would assume the take profit hit on that side, right? Let's go over to USD CAD, Canadian dollar. Beautiful trade. Yes, this is life changing. A nice 5.77%, right? Sell USD CAD, blah, blah, and then there was Dow Jones, another good trade on the Dow Jones. Then there was that, and some blue screens. All trades sent today, all in the blue. Update on the USD CAD signal trade, blue star 1-on-1, 2,500. Strategy 1,500. No, don't trade. Then there was another one like that, but that's the buy on gold. All that TPs that had hit, right? Deep in the blues, buy German 30. You know, I've shown you guys that's why I say it's like that. You must go back and forward. Sell AUD JPY. Finally a signal for us. Finally we can get a signal. AUD JPY. Ooh, beautiful. That's if you held the trade, right? That's a full 5% in the bag. There the stop loss was adjusted. Sell gold. Would you like to sell some gold? Let's go there quickly. You guys don't even know I'm so hungry. I just finished working out, then now I'm sitting here recording these videos. Video. What is this? 23rd. Oh, I don't think I plotted this signal, but we'll go over there, right? TP1 hit, then stop loss hit. Actually, this is probably the, yeah. So, yeah, there. TP1 hit and the stop loss hit. I don't know. We faced one loss today, so we take a step from the market. So then you get some CPI news, right? Right after they've taken a step back from the market. And that is another German 30 signal. And yeah, I think that sold another German 30 signal where good afternoon family, CPI, get JPY. Then there was that one there. Good evening. Oh, okay. And then there what was it, right? So there's an update. The NFP lost 1 73 signals sent, 76 63 was one NFP stop loss was it, I think. So I'm gonna conclude this, right? That is why I say that we look at information in a whole total different way, right? If you look at it from a percentage perspective, you would have probably came out with some percentage gain towards the end of the month, but you don't. I personally say that you don't count signals, and I don't even think they can count the rest reward. But it is so much easier to say that because you could have, you can have 10 losses and you could have probably lost all 73 accounts. But so far, we've seen some good rewards over 5%, 6%, 7%, so forwards, and overall, I think they're good. But again, I do say that not everybody's going to make the 500 target with their accounts. And yeah, that's it, guys. You've seen everything. You can go test everything. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for your time. And as always, cheers for ears.